皆さんおはようございます。今日はチームラブプラネッツに行きます。すごく早いです。今午前5時半です。今日は午前4時に起きた。Today we're also gonna go to the tsukiji fish market, and we're gonna go there first, and we're gonna leave really soon because it's a fish market and businesses use it in the morning. Okay, businesses use the fish market still in the morning, and it's also like a tourist attraction at the same time. So it's really good to get there really early, and they've been open for about half an hour. Yeah, that's really all we have planned today. Just the tsukiji fish market and then teamlab planets. After that we're gonna go shopping, and I think we're gonna go back to harajuku to go back to Kittyland because we only went for like an hour yesterday. Today I was gonna wear a strapless dress. It's actually a skirt, but it's really long on me, so it's long enough to be a dress on me. At the teamlab planets place, they have like mirrors on the floor, I think, or there's mirrors really close to the floor to the point where it can look up a girl's skirt if she's not wearing any pants or anything like that. And I didn't bring any biker shorts. Also, there's like a water feature where the water can be like up to your calf or maybe up to your knees even. I don't know, I think that's too deep. Maybe just up to your calves. So I'm wearing a romper. I don't have like biker shorts and stuff like that. And also my strapless dress keeps falling down, so I might wear that tomorrow when we go to Mount Fuji, because tomorrow's the day tour of Mount Fuji. Honestly, I'm really tired. It's been so dangerous for me on this trip because I haven't been keeping up with drinking water. Honestly, between all the cocoa and all of the other like awesome drinks that I've been seeing, I just have not really paid attention to my water intake. I'm gonna try and work on intaking more water. This morning I drank half a hydro flask, so I'm gonna keep on working on that throughout the duration of the day. It's about 5:30 right now. I need to turn off my ringer and lower my volume. I always get nervous about that in the trains. Like, what if my phone accidentally goes off? That's scary. See you guys at the tsukiji fish market. next day, but I didn't do a closing vlog yesterday, so I'm gonna do a closing vlog now. We did our day at Team Labs yesterday. Even though the experience is very catered towards tourists and it's very mainstream and some people say it's overhyped, it's honestly like kind of a really cool experience. I genuinely loved it and I had a really good time. It's really dark in there. Sometimes there's like long hallways you have to walk through with just lights near your feet. There are 2 water experiences. The first one is when you immediately enter and go down a long hallway. They have you walk up a slope that has water coming down. You just walk up the slope. The second is, I believe there's only 2. The second is when there is actually a knee-deep exhibit, and it's a knee-deep water experience, and there's lights from the top or from the bottom. I'm not sure where it was coming from, but there's supposed to be like koi fish and like lily pads and stuff on top of the water, and it's digitally made, so it's supposed to be like a knee-deep experience. But those are the only 2 experiences that had water. You guys saw the other exhibits that I showed you guys. Honestly, it was a really fun experience, and even though there were literally 0 Japanese people there and it feels very tourist catered, it's really awesome. They speak a lot of English there, so if you have trouble or if the workers need to talk to you, they'll probably do it in English unless you are actually a Japanese person. After the Team Labs experience, we went to Harajuku. Oh, and by the way, we also went to Tsukiji in the morning. We got there around 6:30, I want to say. Even at 6:30, there was quite a few people there, and I wanted to eat more food there. I only ate chigo daifuku. I also just was not feeling like eating seafood in the morning. Yeah, I just did not feel like eating seafood in the morning. There was this ramen stand and the broth smelled super good, but there was a huge line for it and I was not gonna wait in that line. So we just went around exploring, and I bought this really sweet little tsukiji tote bag, and it was for 1100 yen, and the conversion for that right now is about $8 US. And by the way, if you guys are going to Tsukiji and you guys want to eat a lot and you want to buy a lot of food, make sure you bring a lot of cash on hand, because there's very few places that take card or tap payment. We went to the Tsukiji station. They have an ATM there where you can put in your card and you can take out cash. So just make sure if you want to buy a lot of things, you want to spend some money there, pay in cash. By the time it was like 7:40, 7:30, the crowds were fucking crazy. So make sure you do get there early. Honestly, I just wanted to see it and it was really cool. I didn't really get to like look around and take my time and look around because I don't think my friend really likes to do that. There were a lot of like really cool things, and as someone who likes to cook a lot, there were a lot of fun things to look at. I do recommend going to Tsukiji. I'm sure they have amazing food. I just didn't eat yesterday morning either. And then after Tsukiji, we went to Team Lab, and then after Team Lab, we went to Harajuku, and we shopped for like 3 hours there, and we went to Kittyland, and I bought a lot of my omiyage there. Kittyland is definitely a must if you guys are a fan of a lot of different like fandoms. Just look on Kittyland and look at what kind of things they have there. They have different floors designated for different types of fandoms. I also shopped around Uniqlo. There's a Uniqlo that's right next to Shinjuku Station, next to Harajuku Station, and they have like this cute little Harajuku exclusive store items, and it was a Hachiko shirt and tote. So I thought those were really cute. I didn't buy it for myself, but I bought it for my friend. So if you guys are looking for cute little Japan omiyage, that is very cute. If you know someone that loves Uniqlo shirts and likes to collect them and stuff, I think that could be a really cute gift. I only spent like $27 there for those 2 items. Yeah, you know, later I will show you guys a haul of all of these like fun items that I bought from all the places that I went to. Most of it's omiyage, because I don't really honestly feel the urge to buy myself a lot of things. I'm just not really that kind of person. But I bought a lot of omiyage, so I'll show you guys later what kind of things I got. We ended up going back home after Harajuku because my feet hurt a lot, and we had been shopping for like 3 straight hours. It was like fucking crazy. So we went back to the Airbnb and we were supposed to go to Mekadonki last night, but then I think I forgot and I went to bed kind of early. I went to bed at like 9 or 10 and now it's about 7. It's about 6:40 and we're gonna leave soon to go to a tour, which I'll talk about in tomorrow's vlog. So yeah, that was the update. Yeah, sorry for like a really crazy vlog update. So I'll see you guys tomorrow's vlog.